Tree lets you create custom pages for your website. In order to access this feature, click on Pages under Edit Website. And what you'll notice is that you see a structure of your website with all the pages listed. When you first access this, you'll notice that there are already pages here. That's because these are the default pages that are provided as part of your Offering Tree account. If you don't like these pages, you can simply unpublish them, or you can rename them to change them to something else if you prefer. So let's say in this case I didn't want to have a blog because I'm not planning to use it. All I would do is click on this little slider button, and as soon as I click on it, it'll say, "Are you sure you want to unpublish?" If I hit yes, that page is now no longer published. So if I go to my website, you'll see that when it loads, blog is no longer listed. So that's the first thing that you can do. You can publish or unpublish pages just by using these little toggles right here, these sliders that you can turn on and off. The other thing that you can do is that if you are working on your site and you're not ready to show it to the world yet, you simply click on Unpublish your site. It'll ask you, are you sure you want to unpublish your site? If you hit Unpublish, that means that your entire site is now unpublished. So now when I go back to look at my website, you'll see that it has an under construction sign for anyone that's visiting it on the web, but there's a login button so that you can log in and see your site. Now note that if you've logged into your site before and you visit it, you may see your site, and it may say, just like it shows here on the screen, publish your site. Your site is currently unpublished and is not visible to other people. So you might have one of those two screens, either the site is under construction or this other one that you're seeing here. In either case, you can continue to build your site just by going back to the pages, and in this case I'm going to go ahead and publish my site again so I can show you as I'm making changes. The way this system works is that you can actually move pages around very intuitively. You just grab one, you drag it, and you'll notice that it moves it. And if you want to put a page underneath another page, so you want to have a child page under a parent page, it's like in the navigation menu where it drops down, you simply click on the page, you drag it underneath, and you'll notice that it indents it. So now that schedule is sitting under blog. So if I go to my website, schedule is now sitting underneath blog as a drop down. So you'll see the top level is blog, and right underneath that is schedule. So that's how you can easily create drop down pages for your site, just by literally dragging and dropping. And if you don't like that setup and you want to put schedule back as a top level navigation item, you simply drag it and drag it to the left to connect it to that main bar on the left side, release it, and then you'll see that it's there. If you want to change the order of it, again, you just click and drag, and you can change the order of it in any order that you'd like. And as soon as you do that, it says page moved, and when you go back to your site, you'll see that the ordering of that has now been updated in real time. So this is a very easy way to intuitively manage all of your pages that are on your site.